Come test drive the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, driver front passenger heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, tilt steering wheel, park assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.